Welcome. This video guides you through setting your home address in the navigation system of your 2010 to 2015 MINI Countryman R60. While the system is now outdated, knowing how to use it can still be helpful. Note that this system lacks modern features like real-time traffic updates. Due to its age, circa 2010 to 2015, the built-in navigation is static and no longer receives updates, making it less reliable than current smartphone apps. To access the navigation menu in your MINI Countryman R60, first locate the iDrive controller on your center console. Press the menu button on the iDrive controller. Then select Navigation or look for the nav icon on the screen. This will bring you to the main navigation menu. Within the navigation menu, look for Options or Settings. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your iDrive version, either 1.0 or 2.0. Once in the Options Settings menu, find and select Set Home Address or Home Location. This is where you'll input your address information. You'll now be prompted to enter your address. You can do this manually using the iDrive controller to select letters and numbers. Alternatively, if you are parked at your home, you might have the option to select Current Position to automatically set the address. Confirm and save the address once entered. When setting your home address in the R60 MINI Countryman, keep in mind that the system only stores one home address at a time. Base models lack voice input capabilities, meaning you'll need to enter the address manually using the iDrive controller. If the navigation system becomes faulty, which is common in older units, it may require professional repair or replacement with an aftermarket GPS solution. Since the R60's system is outdated and no longer receives updates, consider modern smartphone integration as an alternative for more reliable navigation. For up-to-date navigation in your R60 Mini, consider smartphone integration solutions like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. These provide real-time traffic, route optimization, and voice command capabilities that the original system lacks. Many owners retrofit their R60s with Android-based head units for enhanced functionality. Apple CarPlay seamlessly integrates your iPhone with the car's display, offering real-time traffic updates and maps through Apple Maps. You can use voice commands with Siri for hands-free navigation. Android Auto connects Android phones to your car, providing Google Maps with live traffic data. It supports voice control and integrates with various apps for a modern navigation experience. Many R60 owners retrofit their vehicles with Android-based head units. These provide enhanced functionality, including smartphone integration, surpassing the capabilities of the original navigation system. These modern alternatives offer significant benefits over the outdated R60 system, including real-time traffic updates, route optimization, and convenient voice commands. Car navigation has evolved dramatically since the R60's introduction in 2010. Modern systems now incorporate artificial intelligence for predictive routing, real-time connectivity for live traffic updates, and personalization that learns your driving habits. According to Gartner forecasts, by 2030, over 90% of navigation will be app-based or cloud-integrated, leaving standalone systems like the R60's behind. The MINI Countryman R60's navigation system, based on BMW's older iDrive interface, lacks modern features like over-the-air updates or connectivity. As production ended in 2016 and software support ceased around 2020, no official updates are available. This means maps from 2009 to 2013 remain static, missing recent road changes and real-time data. For better navigation in your R60, consider aftermarket solutions. Android-based head units, like those from Parrot or Pioneer, can replace the original stereo. These provide modern features including Google Maps integration, live traffic, and voice commands. A 2024 case study showed a Mini owner upgrading their 2013 R60 with a $500 Android unit, improving usability significantly. Alternatively, use smartphone navigation via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if compatible, or simply mount your phone securely. Apps like Google Maps or Waze offer superior accuracy with real-time data. This approach avoids hardware modifications while providing modern features. Before making any modifications, consult your vehicle's owner manual or a certified Mini mechanic. DIY changes may affect warranties or vehicle safety systems. With these solutions, you can enjoy modern navigation features in your classic R60.